Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want to welcome you, and if you're returning, I want to say thank you for your support. In today's video, I will be showing you all how to make this delicious Christmas rice. Here I have some long grain basmati rice, shredded carrots, some chopped green onions, chicken broth. I'll be using some food coloring, minced garlic, some chopped onions, grated ginger. For the seasoning, I have complete seasoning, seasoned salt, all-purpose, and black pepper. Now what you want to do to a preheated skillet, you want to add some oil, and then we'll go in with some butter. Allow that butter to melt. Once it melts, we will then add our aromatics. Give it a good stir, and we'll add our seasoning to flavor them up a bit. Then we'll allow them to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, you want to add the washed rice. Make sure you wash it really well before adding it. Then we'll give it a good stir, and we'll allow it to just toast a little bit. Let it go for about 2 to 3 minutes. So at this point, you want to go in with your chicken broth. If you want to keep it vegan or vegetarian, you can add vegetable broth. Once we add that, we will allow it to come up to a boil. Now you want to turn your heat down to low, set the lid on, and allow this to cook until all the liquid evaporates. Once the liquid evaporates, you want to go in with your food coloring. What I did was add 1 tablespoon of water to about 3 drops of food coloring. And you want to just add the food coloring any part of the rice, but you don't want to make them touch each other. So you will add the red, and then we'll add the green. And the same thing I did, add 1 tablespoon of water to about 3 drops of food coloring. And you want to add the green in there. We're using red and green because it's Christmas and we want to make the Christmas colors. So you'll set the lid back on now and allow this to go for 10 more minutes on low heat. So after about 25 minutes, our rice is now done. And you want to allow this to sit. Well, I didn't do that. I wanted to just hurry up and show you guys, but you want to let this sit for 10 minutes before fluffing it. Once you take it off the heat, allow it to sit for 10 minutes, and then you start fluffing it. And it will be nice and fluffy and colorful and just amazing. So like you see me doing here, you want to fluff the rice up. And I want to keep it very simple. I didn't add a lot of vegetables in this. I'm just adding carrots and green onions because the rice is already colorful and you don't want to overdo it. So I'm going to now go in with the green onions and the carrots, mix that in. And that's it, guys. This is the Christmas rice. It's absolutely delicious with all those flavors, the chicken broth and stuff. It was so flavorful and very eye-catching. You bring this out on your Christmas table, everyone will be amazed. They will say, wow, that looks so pretty. I want to have a taste. So now I plate it up and show you all the finished product. So I did plate this up with some bourbon glazed chicken, garlic butter green beans, and let me tell you, it was to die for. So delicious. My entire family enjoyed it. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I used down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.